The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune United 1. Mdlalo webhethu Premiership ubalekile phake Loftus Stadium. Izinto zisame ngokufanayo ngeloko bobuzini.
Njalo mnganami.
Obelele phezulu. Yayazi zabhiza abantwana umnyelele ezantsi umnyelele phezulu.
Yeah. Azikhona lapha bosanwana, angisho nokulala kuzo she.
Mamela lo. Dide olele phezulu. Akuthi kakusisa kusasa avukelele ezantsi. Olele pha uvuka epha mhlobo wami.
Yeah.
That's what happened this weekend.
Yeah, no ngivumelana nawe Shane.
Otherwise, how are you, my brother? Are you
No,
okay?
I'm good Shane.
All right.
I'm
All right.
good Shane. Ithi ngibulisa amadoda la studio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Masingena emdlalweni bobuzini. Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. Ubone njani umdlalo wanamhlanje?
Yeah, no, Shane. Ithi ngicale Shane ngibongise iMamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
The technical team players. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi babonisile Shane ukuthi basasekhona ku race they want to defend league title yabo yabona. So mawungabheka Shane I'm very impressed ngeteam efana neSekhukhune today. Ayizange yenze lento ejwayele ukuyenza. If ungathi mhlawumbe today ubheka umehluko weSekhukhune even though noma bebadlala ekhaya badlala engcono away today kunasekhaya. Why? Because bebangadlali le low block esijwayele. Yes, mid block Shane mawungabheka baba organize mangabe bafuna ukudefend iSundowns. La khona sibona ucoach uzame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi alethe emidlalo nespeed kulela winga la ka right which is uMakhaile angamdlalisa right back today ulethu Mashilwane. I-back four yakhe njengoba sijwayele Shane just that uma ungabheka ilokchange kwaMashilwane now but uma ungathi ubheka le midfield yakhe uMkhize noMnare they always like kuba nzima for bona ukuthi uma badlala against i team efana neMamelodi Sundowns because umsebenzi wabo kumakha always even if they have the ball kuba nzima ukuthi balisebenzise la ball abomkhize. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach Eric Tintla today mina ngicabanga ukuthi wenze kangcono Shane ukuthi akwazi nokudlalela ku half Sundowns akwazi ukuthi okay nami Sundowns ngakwazi ukuyibamba kunebhola la ngibone khona before azokora umdlalo ofana noGrobler. Yeah, leya cross mawungayibheka yila i-game plan yabo ukuthi asenze so useyila siyamazi ukuthi useyila umbheke i-weak point yakhe Shane ukupress i-opponent. Useyila akafuni ukuyipress i-opponent uyilinda ukuthi ayidlale then akwazi ukusebenzisa istrength sakhe sokuwina ibhola. But most of ama-attack manje nginokwabona ukuthi abamlindi asondele bashaye early cross so that kube nabadlali abaranele eboxini and ngiyacabanga ukuthi igcine yabasebenzela after bathola lela goal mangabe ubonile ukuthi yilento mhlambe bayifuna kulela side. So poor defense nayo kuSundowns kulela ball ungabheka uGrobler la suka khona uma yoranele eboxini kulela ball usuke ushiya bo Aubrey and Aubrey umqondo wakhe uku-attack most of the time. Ku defense ukhona yes but umore ku-attack that is why uhlulekile ukuthi ahamba yocover lesa space umdlalo ofana noAubrey and uma ngathi uyayibheka nokuthatha nokuba khona kwaka Matthews kulela side la ka right because bebasebenzisana bano Aubrey uma ngathi uyayibheka. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane izamile i-team efana neSekhukhune is not easy ukuthi ungangena lapha eLoftus uyophuma ne-maximum point unenhlanhla uma uphuma ne-draw Shane. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazamile but when it comes to i-team efana neMamelodi Sundowns I think badlalile Shane badlale kahle kakhulu. Look at the way badlale kahle ngakhona labadlali Shane buka i-defense yeMamelodi Sundowns bheka boKekane noNdamane they did very well. Yes ungasho ukuthi idlala nge-lone striker i-team efana neSekhukhune because akufunction ubani umncuba akafunction unkuwa akafunction nale tsotsi uMakhaile uye bekathi uyazama but uluza amabhola most of the time. So ukungasebenzi kwalabadlali umncube nonku kanye noMakhaile kuyoba lula ku defense yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi badile nalesa striker esifana noGrobler because always bakwazi ukuthi noma singayo contesta i-second ball enombonile naGrobler ube nenhlanhla ngale ya elbow abanye abo ref mabakubonile it's a red card straight red. Yeah. Because uma usebenzisa i-elbow especially usemoyeni Shane iba nzima. So for Sundowns I think they played very well Shane, well deserved man of the match kumdlalo ofana noJayden the master of spaces chain uJayden ucontrola yonke lento lapha that is why uma iMamelodi Sundowns leader nga 1-0 ngathi mina yes ngamdonsa uDebs but uma ngabe iSundowns ithola igoli lesi2 because uDebs asekane yellow card and kunala ngibona khona they allow uDebs abe behind uJayden and uma azoba behind uJayden kunala khona azocommita khona and uma ucommita mhlambe i-team attacker uyenze foul uvamise ukuthi uthola i-second yellow card so nako lokho shini ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach Cardoso ukwenza leya sub bekayibhekile lento le ukuthi okay manje ngiletha labadlali but ngizodlala nga2 ngizodlala ngoAlende ngidlale ngoJayden bese ngiba nomdlalo ofana noThemba la phambili but balibulele la side la Matthews because mabuya uNuno uphusha kancane ungena phakathi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi chain the way ngibone ngakhona bekungamdonsa uDebs sesikhulume nje iqiniso bongamdonsa because of layer yellow card kodwa laba bangenayo abadlali shape yabo ime kanjani yini na you understand and nokuchange kwa Matthews you know ukhipha uMatthews kulela side I think kube ibland enkulu for iMamelodi Sundowns because ucoach bekafuna ukuyovala le attack yabo liklapa kulela side because uyabona ukuthi manje banikeza uSailor iproblem bamenzela i2v1 so wazama ukuthi ngcono ngithathe uMatthews ngiyomdropa ngale but we are leading ne uMatthews ubanikeza iproblem miyeke uMatthews abanikeza iproblem ba stop labantu bangakhona ukuattack yes ufuna ukudefenda lento oyibonayo but uMatthews beka effective kulela side but uma samthatha amikisa ka right ila uMatthews angazange Shane asinikeze something but overall abo Alende they played very well Shane badlala abafana nabo uSales I think they did very well Shane
Alende getting his second goal in 2 matches bonakala ngathi confidence yakhe inyuka and he's scoring goals what do you make of him namhlanje
yeah I think Shane ngilento ezama ukuyisho ukuthi the more kuba ne squad rotation uma ngabe kunabadlali abazohlala ebenchini ama mistake abawenzayo azoba khona beka the way adlalela ngakhona next to the box and uyathola lawo ma shot on target so uma udlala as a 8 kumele utholakale kulawo ma position chain uzoba ne advantage enkulu ukuthi uscore not always kumele ukuthi ube stereotype kumele wena always ucabanga ukusecirculate ibhola always kumele uzazi ukuthi mangabe kune space kumele ngisi attack and la ngichaza khona uAlende uyakwazi ukucreate i2v1 ku opponent uma ubona ngathi uJayden ubamba ibhola uyasondela kuJayden so that bakwazi ukuthi baphume lapha kule build up yabo so give credit kuye uAlende ngiyacabanga Shane if uzochubeka adlala de uyadlala ngakhona usazowathola ama goal Shane usazowathola umdlalo ofana noJayden then ubheke na the way impact ibench le Sundowns lifike la change ngakhona badlala abafana nabo umshishi ufike wenza kahle uReynolds wari ibrace aqeda ukuyishaya Shane uma une quality ebenchini kulula ukuthi if umdlalo ofana noLeon akenzi kahle because isupplier beyingekho uyibonile so uma ngabe uLeon akenzi kahle ebenchini unabo badlali abazongena benza umsebenzi njengoba sibone umdlalo ofana noMakgopa yesterday abuya from ebenchini umdlalo bekani injury for isikhathi njengoba boReynolds uma une bench Shane eli solid ngiyakutshela Shane wazi kahle ukuthi uma ngabe ngenza ama-sub khona abazongenzela kona so ngiyamnikeza credit man uReynolds ukuthi angene azoshaya ibrace umsebenzi wakho njenge striker ukuthi ichance abakunikeza yona Shane or 3 minutes or 4 minutes if uthola ithuba lisebenzise Shane so ukwazi ukuthi next time uma ngabe kumele ufesa uzofesa Shane wenza umsebenzi eteamini
before sivala debut for the former Magesi midfielder Monapule Saleng mbone njani
yeah bengilinde ukuthi ungibuze bengafuna ukukhuluma ngaye Shane
why
bengifuna ungibuze ukuthi umkhuthizi ngimbonile ungenile Shane wenzeni ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ngasho ngathi umrelease ngesikhathi esirong uzonikeza iSundowns something I like the way enza ngakhona uyakwazi ukudila nge1v1 bheka lela bhola assist ngalo kuReynolds ubonile ukuthi iSundowns bengasakunikeza inix kulawo mawinga so uma uletha abadlali bafana noMonapole Saleng bakunikeza something kulama minutes abadlalile ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns ithole something ezobanceda abadlaleli bafana noMonapole Saleng ukuthi unama option chain now you can play ngomdlalo ozokwazi if uzoqala mhlambe ngabadlali abafana noMonapole Saleng uqale ngoMatthews ngapha bonke abadlali bakho bane speed bakwazi ukucreate ama chances ba assist ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzokunceda njengoba ubona uMatthews Shane bengimkhohlwa lo mdlalo ngifuna ukuthi ngimchaze kancane de uyadlala ngakhona sengivala Shane umbheke ukuthi bekayenzana uMatthews namhlanje bekangekho vele nje elayinini bekanikeza uOpre lonke lela line always ubuya ngaphakathi la khona azo assista le midfield ukuthi uAlenda akwazi ukuphusha kancane phambili uMatthews noma attacker but uyeza uzodropa uyu umuntu oba involved ku build up eMamelodi Sundowns today so umsebenzi omuhle awenzayo if uyaleka ku finishing chain awusinikeza nix ku end product do something ke uma ngabe si defender or sifuna ukulanda something ku build up awusenzele something at least sibone ukuthi kukhona o contributor ngabe game chain.
Well, Masivale Bosini. Yeah, Masivale. Yeah. Man United and Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace were leading 1-0. Man United bonakala ngathi babuyile ezindweni bekadilele le team. But babonakala ngathi babuyile.
uNkulunkulu akabathandi ufana nabanye la ekhaya the time kumele balungisa amaphutha bayalungisa.
Nah, kumsengo uyayiculela kola cala ngapha but I know he's a Chelsea fan. Just like you, there's another big game coming up at 6:30. Arsenal, the incoming big English Premier League champions. They are playing at 6:30 against Chelsea. People are screaming, people are saying, yo, but Ngumeya will be standing here wearing this jersey as a proud Premier League winner. Arsenal. Let's Massive. Loftus Stadium is Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune United 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.